Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can block any website into your Google Chrome in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we have to go over into Google Chrome browser, and then here you just need to come over this three dot option and then come over at the extension and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. Click on that, and after that you just need to come over at the search option over here and then search for block site. After that you will get an option in here called block site blocker and focus mode extension over here. You can see, just click on this block site and you will get this kind of interface over here. So well, you can see it's 4.5 ratings. It's quite good and useful too. So for that, now we will just click on add to Chrome and click on add extension, and after a short time you can see your extension is add to your Chrome. So you can see over here. So what we can do over here, we can simply copy the domain and then paste it over here, and we can click on add item. By this you can block any website very easily. So I will going to show you. If I go for a new tab and go for YouTube, that's it. And then now if I going to copy these and then paste it over here like this, if I copy this HTTP over here and then if I paste it into this block site, then we can click on add item, and after that if you go into YouTube and you can see this site is blocked, so you can focus on your work. So by this you can block any of sites if you want. So now I will going to show you, you can block it by another system in a very simple way. If I delete it and if I go for YouTube, here you can see here is our YouTube. So now if I want to block it from here, you just simply come over at the extension, then click on block site, and then you will get this kind of interface over here, and then you can see that if you can block site, if you want, here is a YouTube and you can click on block site, and by this you can simply block it like this. So this is how you can block any site in Google Chrome in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.